Good afternoon, Tech Vision Solutions. This is Anthony speaking. How may I help you today?
I want to schedule a meeting with your support team.
I'd be happy to schedule a meeting with our support team so we can address your concerns and work towards a solution. Could I please have your best contact phone number and email address to send the meeting confirmation? Once I have those details, I'll check our support team's calendar and offer you a few available time slots for your meeting. Thank you very much for providing your details, Mr. Postelmans. I have your name as Ronald Postelmans, your phone number as 0612345678, and your email as ronald@datawonder.nl. Let me pull up the calendar for our support team and check the next available time slots for a meeting. One moment, please. Thank you for your patience, Mr. Postelmans. Thank you for your patience, Mr. Postelmans. I can offer you a meeting with our support team tomorrow, and 11 a.m. is typically a good time. Perfect. I've scheduled your meeting with our support team for tomorrow, October 21st, at 11 a.m. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly at ronald@datawonder.nl with all the details. Your confirmation number is APT 2024-1847.
And what you just saw was an AI voice agent acting as a reception, greeting the caller, gathering information from the company, transferring this person to a real employee, and even schedule appointments. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. In this video, I'm going to show you how actually an AI voice agent works, how you can set it up for your business, and how much time and costs you will save by automating your incoming calls. And so if you have a lot of time that you're busy with answering phone calls and transferring them to another colleague of booking appointments, then stick around because then this video is for you. Here's our plan. First, I will introduce myself, who I am and what I do. And then we'll take a deep dive in this full demo of the voice agent in action. After that, we'll unpack how the system works step by step. And so then we'll talk about the results and savings you can expect when implementing a voice agent. And finally, I will tell you how it can take your business to the next level. So let's go. I'm Ronald Postemans from Data Wonder, and I help companies automate their boring and time-consuming processes using AI voice agents and AI automation tools. So companies can save a lot of time and money. Everyone has processes in their organization that can be optimized. Maybe you don't know it yet. So if you want to save some money and cost, then in the beneath the video is a link to my calendar, so you can book an appointment and we'll have an introduction call so we can take your company to the next level.
Good afternoon, Tech Vision Solutions. This is Anthony speaking. How may I help you?
Hey, good morning with Ronald Postelmans from Data Wonder. I would like to speak to CEO because we already have had some conversations and we want to look further for a cooperation together.
Thank you for your patience. Mr. Anderson, our CEO, is available at the moment. May I have your full name, please, so I can let him know who is calling and the purpose of your call?
Yes, my name is Ronald Postelmans and I'm from Data
Thank,
Wonder.
thank you, Mr. Postelmans. I'll let Mr. Anderson know that Harold Postelmans from Data Wonder is calling regarding further cooperation discussions. Let me connect you to Mr. Anderson now. Is there anything else I can help you with today before I transfer your call?
Yes, I wonder if you have my name correct because my name is Ronald, Ronald, not Harold.
Thank you very much for clarifying, Mr. Ronald Postelmans. I apologize for the mix-up. I'll let Mr. Anderson know that Ronald Postelmans from Data Wonder is calling regarding further cooperation discussions. Let me connect you to him now. Is there
Yes.
anything else I can assist you with before I transfer your call?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Postelmans. I'm connecting you to Mr. Anderson now. Have a great conversation and thank you for calling Tech Vision Solutions.
Thank you. Bye bye. So this was the first check. I'll be transferred through to the to CEO. Now I'll do a second call.
Good afternoon, Tech Vision Solutions. This is Anthony speaking. How may I help you today?
Hi, Anthony, with Ronald Postelmans. I have a question. I want to know if your company is a good fit for me to work with. So, can you tell me what you do?
Great question. TechVision Solutions is an international technology consulting firm. We specialize in three main areas. One, digital transformation consulting. We help businesses modernize their technology, optimize processes, and manage organizational change. Two, custom software development. We build web and mobile applications, integrate APIs, and deliver cloud-based solutions tailored to our clients' needs. Three, IT infrastructure services. We provide cloud migration, cybersecurity, network optimization, and 24/7 monitoring and support. We work with clients across industries like finance, healthcare, retail, manufacturing, and education. Our goal is to help organizations leverage technology for better efficiency and growth. Is there a particular service or project you're interested in, or would you like more details about how we work with our clients?
Well, can you tell me something about that? How you work with clients?
Absolutely, I'd be happy to explain how we work at TechVision Solutions. Our process typically begins with an initial phone consultation, which is free of charge. During this call, we discuss your business goals, challenges, and what you're hoping to achieve with technology. If it seems like a good fit, we move to a more in-depth discovery meeting, also complimentary for qualified prospects, where we dive deeper into your requirements and objectives. After the discovery phase, our team prepares a tailored proposal and quote, usually delivered within 5 business days. Once you're comfortable with the plan and the contract is signed, we kick off the project with a dedicated team. Throughout the project, you'll have a project manager as your main point of contact, regular status updates, and access to our technical experts. We focus on transparency, collaboration, and delivering solutions that truly fit your needs. Would you like to schedule a consultation to discuss your specific goals, or is there a particular service you'd like to know more about?
No, for now that's all. So, thank you very much. Bye.
Good afternoon, TechVision Solutions. This is Anthony speaking. How may I help you today?
Good morning, with Ronald Postelmans from Data Wonder. Um, I want to schedule a meeting with your support team because I have some problems with my services, and I want to discuss them with them because I'm not happy and I want to have a solution for my problems.
Thank you for reaching out, Mr. Postumos. I'm sorry to hear you're experiencing issues with your services, and I completely understand how important it is to get this resolved quickly. I'd be happy to schedule a meeting with our support team so we can address your concerns and work towards a solution. Could I please have your best contact phone number and email address to send the meeting confirmation? Once I have those details, I'll check our support team's calendar and offer you a few available time slots for your meeting.
Yes, my name is, by the way, Ronald Postelmans. I will spell it Ronaldpostelmans. And my phone number is 06123456678. And my email address is ronald@datawonder.nl.
Thank you very much for providing your details, Mr. Postelmans. I have your name as Ronald Postelmans, your phone number as 06123456678, and your email as ronald@datawonder.nl. Let me pull up the calendar for our support team and check the next available time slots for a meeting. One moment, please. Thank you for your patience, Mr. Postelmans. I'm checking the support team's availability for you now. To make sure we find a time that works best, would you prefer to meet today, or is another day more convenient for you? If you have a preferred date or time range, please let me know and I'll offer you a few specific time slots to choose from.
Well, tomorrow at 11 o'clock would be nice if possible.
Let me check if we have availability with our support team tomorrow at 11 a.m. One moment, please. Thank you for your patience, Mr. Postelmans. I can offer you a meeting with our support team tomorrow, and 11 a.m. is typically a good time. To ensure you have options, I can also offer 2 p.m. and 3:30 p.m. tomorrow. Would you like to confirm the 11 a.m. slot, or would one of the other times work better for you? Once
No,
you choose, I'll book the
11
meeting and
o'clock is
send you.
fine.
Perfect. I've scheduled your meeting with our support team for tomorrow, October 21st, at 11 a.m. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly at ronald@datawonder.nl with all the details. Your confirmation number is APT 2024-1847. Is there anything else I can help you with today, Mr. Postelmans?
No, that's all. Thanks. Bye bye. Okay, well, this is my voice agent. And here on the left side, we see a prompt. And this prompt is very important because this prompt will make sure that this voice agent works as it should work. And yeah, this prompt is very carefully being orchestrated to make sure that the voice agent reacts as it should be, as I want it to do. So and for the rest, we have here GPT 4.1. This is the menu where we can select the LLMs. Here we can select voices. So I have Anthony, but I can, for example, Anthony sounds like
Hello
this.
there, I'm Anthony, your helpful guide. How can I make things easier and more convenient for you today?
And so Anthony's a nice voice, and it's just a matter of preference. So choose the voice that you like, and that's yeah, is appropriate for the kind of situation you are in. And so here we can change the voice model. This could be important. It depends on which countries you are in. So make sure that you have the right model. In this case, for English, is this 11 Labs Turbo V2 is fine. Then you have the English model language. So this makes sure that the voice agent speaks very good English. So on the right, we have functions. Functions will make the voice agent a lot smarter, because if you have these functions, you can make sure that this voice agent can call a lot of tools. Well, let's explain them. At first, end call. This is used to just end the phone call. Check calendar. This function is used for the voice agent to check the calendar you want to and you want to check for availability, so you can finally book appointments. This check person availability. This tool will check in some kind of a list if a person, for example, if you have a person in a company you want to reach, it will check if this person is available. Now the last one, make appointment. This tool will make sure that it will connect to your, in this case, Gmail account, and you can make an appointment. So if I open one, for example, to show you how it looks, here we have this screen, and here we can have a post method to call the API key, and this is yeah, in my case a webhook in N8N, and this makes sure that the voice agent will send the right information to the webhook of N8N, and N8N will receive it. And this is the field that will be sent from the voice agent to the webhook. And so in this moment, the appointment search date time, which will be used to check the calendar for availability. So I've opened another one. That's make appointments. So I wanted to show you this because you see here it needs much more information than the other one, because to make an appointment in your calendar, you need data like the appointment date time. And you want to know the exact date and the time to which calendar should make the appointment. Then you need a customer name and you need a customer email so you can book the appointment. Okay, for the rest, we have a couple of things. Here we have knowledge base. Normally you can put a lot of text in here, for example, about information within your company. But in this case, the software doesn't work great with this. There were some problems, and since then it's not the best option anymore. So I did the same for company information, but I put it in my prompt, and that works even better at this point, as long as it is not too much information. Yeah, and here you have all kinds of other settings which are actually at this point not filled in because I don't need them. Here you see the reception check availability Google Calendar. So I have a webhook from the voice agent that's giving this information. So the voice agent gives the availability dates from the customer to this webhook, and then it will check the availability in the calendar. And then it will see if the availability matches the availability for the customer, and then it will returns back all possibilities that are available. So then, if the customer tells the voice agent that he wants, for example, tomorrow at 11 o'clock, if that is one of the availabilities, then the voice agent will go to the next workflow, and then he will come to this webhook and gives one date, and then it will validate the input, extract that date, and then make an appointment in the calendar for the receptionist, and also send an email to the customer, and then sends back the webhook response, so the customer knows from the voice agent that his appointment is scheduled. So that's wonderful, and the customer will receive within 1 second an email. So why would you care? What's in it for you? Well, let's look at this. If you have a business that receives 200 calls a week, that's 3 minutes per call manually. That's 600 minutes total. 10 hours a week at 40 euros per hour. And that's 400 euros a week and 20,800 euros a year. That's a lot of money. So you can so with an AI voice agent handling a bulk of those calls automatically, real human cost drops significantly. So you free up your team for high value tasks, reduce errors, scale without hiring more, and gain competitive edge. So that's the kind of impact we're talking about. If you found my video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more AI automation videos, and leave a comment below. Which process in your business would you like to automate? I'll pick a few comments and offer a 30-minute introduction call where we can discuss how a voice agent would suit your needs. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Ronald Postemans, and I will see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye.